On the mic. It's not only one. Kid now? Kid. There we go. Kid now. It's kid now. Miss. Kid.
Thank you very much. That was very entertaining from the Zulu community. It is always important for us to keep our kids to understand what is going on and especially not forgetting the history and the current affairs of the country. If they do this in their country, they also do have another country, which is the original country. So we thought it would be good for the kids to have a little bit of a quiz, and the quiz will have a prize that goes with it. I'll be asking 3 quizzes, and then I'll pass it on to Elizabeth. A person who gets it correct will get some prize. So kids, can you come forward, please? And after the kid quiz, we will have the premier representative who will have a time to say a few words to the community. Thank you. Okay, kids, there's a few questions that I wanted you guys to answer, and the questions are there on the screen. I'll ask the question, but you can start reading it ahead, and if you know the answer, please put your hand up. Put your hand up. We'll give you a microphone so that you can tell us the answer, so that the rest of the community can also hear. So kids, you ready? Ready? Okay, the first question. The first question is, what is the capital of South Sudan? Who knows the answer?
Wow.
Okay, so many people know the answer. So we might have to go to the youngest first. The youngest. Okay, that young lady there. That young lady there. Okay, what is the capital of South Sudan? Can you tell us?
Juba.
Cuba.
Thank you. So the capital of South Sudan is Juba. So she's going to get a little bit of a prize. But I'm going to ask a supplementary question since there are so many people who knows the answer for the capital of South Sudan.
Let me grab this one.
Now, what is the capital of Jonglei State? Who knows that? The capital of Jonglei State. It's not up there. It's not there. It's a supplementary question. Jonglei State. Jonglei State.
Move a little bit.
Okay, I'll move to the next question if no one knows it. The second question is, who is the president of South Sudan? Who is the president of South Sudan?
A little bit.
Okay, okay. The president of South Sudan.
Salva Kiir.
The president of South Sudan is Salva Kiir.
Move a little bit.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. The third question is, when is South Sudan independent? When is South Sudan independent? David, can you choose someone to? When is South Sudan Independent Day? When is South Sudan Independent Day? So can you choose someone?
Innocent is here.
July.
Thank you. It's the 9th of July. The 9th of July is the Independent Day of South Sudan. I'm going to pass the mic on
Little bit.
to Elizabeth to ask the remaining questions. And guys, we'll have more questions maybe later on. Thank you.
All right, we'll have 3 more questions. Are you guys ready? Okay, the first question is, how many states in South Sudan? You can pick from A, which is 7 states, B, 8 states, or C, 10 states.
Oh, everyone's gonna get it. This is easy.
All right, the next question is, we have 2 more left. What is the longest river that runs through South Sudan?
No one, they're all gonna know it. This kid.
What's the longest river that runs through South Sudan? The River Nile.
There you are. Food of cake.
All right, we have another question.